and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time stopping by, hi darling, you're welcome. Please do not leave without subscribing, okay? Please don't leave without subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, hi darling, what's good? What's going on? What's popping? Yeah guys, so in this video I'm showing you how you can move from this to looking this gorgeous with this simple hairstyle. So this is my very quick and easy go-to natural hairstyle that I go for whenever I'm in a hurry or I'm going for some, and I need to do something to my hair. This is what I go for. So without wasting much time, let's get right into the video. Yeah guys, so I start by combing my freshly washed hair that I blow dried. I comb it very well, then I try to make some patterns in my hair, then I apply my hair growth oil. Yeah, this hair growth oil is a game changer for me. I'm in my natural hair care era, so I do my washing myself. I blow dry it. Sometimes I do traditional braids to stretch it out for me for whatever that I want to use it for. Then I went ahead and then did the patterns that I wanted. I went ahead to create the pads, clean lines and all. Yes, sometimes you would not get like a straight line, but it's fine. It's okay, it's natural hair and it's not really going to show. Okay, so I braided them down so I can be able to hold the back side of my hair down. So I went ahead and used my brush, my bristle brush. This brush is a bit hard, so it's able to comb out the natural hair very well and make all the hairs lie down so well. Then I went in with my band, my hair band, held my hair into like a ponytail, and then I braided that side down. You guys are going to see very soon what I did to the back side of my hair very soon. Okay, so I did this, then I came back to the front parts of the hair. I comb it out very well. At this point you can decide to use gel, but I just washed my hair and I didn't want to apply any gel, so I just had to like brush my hair very well for all my hair to lie down. I don't want any round the natural hair thing. I didn't want to see that, so I brushed it out so well. I'm doing the same thing on the other side. I did this flat twist. I didn't braid it. I didn't do like a cornrow braid. I did flat twist. If you want to know how I did this flat twist, if you want a detailed video on how you can flat twist your hair, let me know in the comment section and I'm going to do a separate video showing you guys into details how you can flat twist your hair. Okay, so I'm going to add these hair that I have braided to the one at the back with another hair band to hold everything in place like this. Okay, so this is the base of the hair. Then I went into this natural hair ponytail that I had. I've had this for like 2 or 3 years now and it's been good. I only have to smear some pomade on it, then spray it, then I comb it and it's good as new. Okay, and I love the texture because the texture is just like my natural hair. There are a couple of times that I've had people ask me if it's my natural hair. Sometimes I tell them yeah, and sometimes I just give you like the yeah. So I just fixed it on my hair, then wrap the rope around it, then pin it down. I brushed my hair again and this was what I was looking like. You could actually go like this, but I wanted a little extra, so I accessorized my hair with this beautiful golden accessory. Okay, so this is the final look, my loves. So this is the end of the video guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned 1 or 2 things. If you want more of such videos, natural hair tutorials and all, let me know in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle and where you are going to rock this hairstyle to. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.